What's up, y'all? This is 12 o'clock. Welcome back to another episode. Just the tip. Today I'm doing a little different. Got the vlog setup going. It just makes the audio so much better when I can use my mic. Today I want to talk about these bench grinders. I'm sure you've seen them. You might have seen one in your dad's garage or your grandpa's garage. Today's tip is just around the wheels that you can get for these. These are actually two different wire wheels. This one is steel, so it's very abrasive. The one I got on here is brass. So it's like using a brass hammer. If you're really pounding on something and you don't want to really scar it up, you can use a brass hammer. It'll actually mess up the hammer before it'll mess up the part. If you want to leave less marks and just, if you're working with some material that you don't really want to take a lot off of, you don't want to leave scratches in it, these brass wheels, they're only a couple bucks more, and it's a lot easier on your parts, whatever you're cleaning, and they still clean as good as the steel ones, except these have more give. So there you go, guys. Maybe that'll help you next time you go to clean something on a wire wheel and you don't really want to scratch it up too bad. Well, this is 12 o'clock, and remember, I can't guarantee your work. This is just the tip.